I wanted to show you some of the fall characters that I'm doing. This is a tree that I do every year, but this time I did it a little different. He's not outlined in black. And this is a new squirrel that I'm doing with a basket of nuts. And he's really big. He's romping through the leaves. There were a couple of boys inside here, and I used them as models for this. They were quite surprised when they see me draw them on the window. Again, here's some pumpkins I did without that black outline, more painterly. This is a guy chomping on a cheeseburger. Another tree, kind of a semi-realistic tree. And have a fantastic fall season. And there's those leaves that I showed you in the other tutorial. But here's these leaves on the bottom too. I want to do a tutorial on how I do those really quick with a roller. All those different colors are done with one large roller. And this is the whole thing put together, done. And sometimes I use black with a white outline. It looks good for fall. And there's those leaves again. I wanted to show you the leaves and the moon, a harvest moon. I use purple and oranges usually for the fall characters. And then I wanted to talk about reference. Like here, I want to start doing new characters and different characters. So I was looking for some different owls because I've been painting the same owl for about 15-20 years. So I'm going to try a different owl and try some different characters. So here I am googling pictures, and I just type in I want images a certain size, and then I print them out on my printer. I think this is some Disney one from Sword in the Stone or something, but I thought I would do this character, and here he is. I've got it taped on the window on the side for reference, and I'm painting him. And also, that's another tip too. You can go on the inside and look at and then you can check your artwork. It's like holding it to a mirror. So here it is all done. I'm pretty happy with it. The eyes are kind of goofy, you know. And also, I'll use realistic stuff once in a while. I got this raccoon and this other picture of a raccoon. I haven't done many raccoons. And it ended up looking like a cat almost, because I wanted to make it more feminine. It's a female raccoon, but so it kind of looked like a cat. Same with this. Sometimes I'll get reference material, but I won't copy it exactly. Like I got that squirrel, but I ended up painting these two guys instead, using that reference. So doesn't even look like it, but it still gives me an idea. What's all the hooting and hollering about? You'll go nuts too when you taste the... And then it talks about the pepper bacon cheeseburger. This is the window here. Don't leave without trying our delicious pepper bacon cheeseburger. And then a crow and some more of the pumpkins. And here's the raccoon character. And then see this, I don't like that tree as much with the outline. It's kind of trying to do both at the same time. Fun fall food and friends at Burgerville. But I like doing these kind where people read them and stuff. It makes it entertaining, and it draws their attention because they're eye-catching. And then they have to read it, and it kind of ties them in emotionally. And the owl, of course, is going after the pepper bacon cheeseburger. I should have wrote there, not actual size. Anyway, I just wanted to show you some fall characters that I'm working on and stuff. Give you some ideas.